Tim from Euro6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect and use an OTG adapter on your Android phone to transfer files and stuff. So this is an OTG Checker. It came with my old Samsung phone. Takes USB, turns it into USB-C, and I can just plug it into my drive. Now my drive actually has a USB end. It has USB-C, so I could plug it directly in with that. So this adapter isn't expensive. You don't need an OTG adapter, you just need USB to USB-C really to work. So we can just plug this in, just like that. Hit cancel here, that pops up, whatever that is. And now to transfer videos, just swipe up from the bottom, go to search and go to files. Go to my files or files, and we can back out of here. We can see my USB on the bottom here. So I can see that it's connected. If it's not connected, you probably have it formatted NTFS. Go to your computer, format EXFAT, and then it should show up on your. So we can go to images now or videos. Click on it. We can go to select all on the top, but we can go to move now or copy. Select our USB device, and we can go to copy here, or find your folder you want to copy to. We can back out. Here's my USB storage, and I can see the pictures are on here now. So let's open this in my gallery, and boom, there it is. Very easy to connect and use your OTG adapter. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.